Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to set up trip reminders in Skyscanner to stay updated on price changes and plan smarter. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to skyscanner.com, then hit enter. Make sure you're logged into your account. On the home page, search for a flight, hotel or car rental as you normally would. You can also choose between one-way, return or multi-city options. Enter your destination and travel dates, then click the search button. Once the results appear, you can filter by direct flight or cheaper options and select the one that suits you best. On the results page, look for the bell icon or click Set Price Alert. Skyscanner will now send you notifications and reminders when prices change or as your trip date approaches. And that's it. You've just learned how to set up trip reminders on Skyscanner. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.